A.
Piss take.
Production.
If you're looking for a solution for a GoPro mount for an adventure helmet, I found this one on eBay, and guess what? It costs $8. Instead of paying $50, you can pay $8, and you can might as well just buy two in one hit. So if this one fails, you can just glue on another one. But we'll see how it works. That's how it's run across the front with the double-sided tape. I'll just take out from the bag and you can have a look at how it's packed. Excuse me while I do this with one hand. So that's the bracket. It's a fairly durable plastic. It's got a little bit of flex in it. That's the GoPro mount. Now I did swap and use a genuine GoPro mount because, yeah, who knows how good and how strong this stuff is, but it feels, yeah, the quality's about the same. That's the double-sided, so you get two double-sided tape backup pieces, so yeah, use that one and then you switch the other if it does generally peel off over time. It does come with an emergency backup feature, this little disc where you can tie a bit of string. Let's take it out. So you can always fix that to your helmet somewhere like there. It's a bit discreet, and just tie on the string that they give you. So if it does fail, at least you still, you know, catch your GoPro in a fall. But anyway, if you're looking for a GoPro solution for a chin mount, or a chin mount solution, you can always try that. I'll have the link in the description box. Come for a ride and check out the viewing angle from this helmet with this mount. This is what I'll be using for the first trip to the Cape York, tip and back. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. That's the true test of a product. So yeah, most of the stuff that I've shown in the lead up to building this bike and whatnot, it's all testing. So I'm probably bound to fail sooner or later, but at the end of the day, $8 for this moto mount, the helmet mount, is pretty good in my book. So fingers crossed it works for me, and if it works for you in the future, that's a few bucks saved. So let's go, I'll show you the camera angle. Let's rock and roll. I'm back in the test facility, aka the garage. Now, I'll just turn that on. GoPro sell a specific helmet mount. I'm going to take this off while I'm recording. And as you can see, it allows you to add a bit more pitch, just so that you know you're not facing down. That little ball mount inside there, that's what gives you the money shot. So there you go, that's the solution, so that if you're wearing an adventure helmet, to get the extra pitch, use that GoPro mount. Or you can do it the old-fashioned way and ride like this everywhere. So chin straight, and that's the viewing angle. Now you can use what they give you with the original bracket because it gives you a bit more pitch, but this is the issue. If you put that mount on, there's a little bit of play. Yes, because the flex of the way it's glued onto the helmet, or stuck onto the helmet with that side piece, it's opened it up a bit. But you'll notice if I change it over to the GoPro mount, it's a little tighter fit. I'm more inclined to probably recommend adding some silicone into that gap there and gluing it in, so you know, minimize losing your GoPro when traveling. All trial and error, but yeah, there you go. That was the difference between the GoPro mount and the Chinese copy. There you go, that's the solution for a cheap moto mount for an adventure helmet. Thanks for watching, guys.